Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on less chatty mode in the Waze app in 2026. This Waze gives you more voice instructions than you need. If version of Waze offers less chatty mode, you can reduce unnecessary navigation announcements. And here's exactly how to do it. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so download it from there so you can enjoy an easy and more practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to turn on the less chatty mode in the Waze app if available. We're gonna have to open the Waze app as you can see and tap on the sound icon on the map. As you can see on the top left right corner, there's the sound icon here. Now you'll see your available sound and guidance options. And look for the less chatty. Here you have the normal, the less chatty, the only alerts, and etc. So you're gonna choose the less chatty option. Now, after tapping the less chatty to enable, this mode is designed to provide essential navigation guidance and important alerts while reducing unnecessary voice prompts. So instead of hearing every possible navigation announcement, Waze focuses on information that's more important. And if you don't see the less chatty option, don't worry. Waze's available sound option can vary depending on the current app version, voice, device, and other factors. And you may instead see options such as on, alerts only, and off, as you can see them here. And you can return to the sound settings at any time and switch back to normal guidance. And that's how you make a Waze a little quieter while keeping important guidance. And if you like this video and found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.